kilograms vacuum gold silver bar casting machine. Connect vacuum pump, air, protective gas, water inlet and outlet. Press the water pump to start working. Press the compressor of the chiller. Place the graphite mold into the heating chamber. Add the materials. Turn the automatic switch to automatic mode and press to start heating. Lid closed automatically. The panel displays parameters and the machine runs automatically. Heating and melting. When the work is completed, the lid opened automatically. Use graphite mold pliers to take out the mold. Welcome to contact me.